Bamfordrose, and this is forum chat number 2. This forum chat is taken from a Facebook group where people are talking about modifying a 4.3 V8 Vantage. Somebody has posted up they're going to be seeking more performance from weight saving. So if you take, I don't know, roughly £5,000 and you buy yourself manifolds, catalyst, ECU remap, you're bolting on 50 bhp. That is giving you better rate of acceleration, faster acceleration, more power to the wheels. What this person is saying, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to take £5,000. I'm going to get rid of some kilos, and that is going to give me that better rate of progression. Well, anyone in the car performance world knows bhp is easy in terms of the pounds notes it takes to get power versus the pound notes it takes to get the same acceleration from losing weight. Weight reduction is much more expensive than power increase. So the 4.3 V8, it's wet weight with fuel, with oil, comes in at roughly 1650, 1700 kilogram. A GT4 race car is going to come in at something like 1300, 1350. Now the difference between driving those two cars is world apart. And in that case, yes, the weight reduction has transformed the car. But now you come to take 300 kilos out of your road going car and it just ain't going to happen. There's no way that you will get your road car down to that weight. So it is much easier just to throw 50 bhp at the car and get the same delta performance increase than trying to get rid of 300 kilos. So the approach of getting your performance increase from a weight reduction, don't go there.